Hey, this your girl Mo Beauty coming back to you with another video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Today's video is about how to make citric acid solution to balance out your pH for your cosmetic lines, your hair, and your skincare lines. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And now check out the video. So this is going to be a quick video. I'm going to do a voiceover. So what I'm going to do is put my solution into that medicine bottle. And that's how I'm going to store it. You do not need to put any type of preservative or anything in it because it's just distilled water and citric acid. And that's all that you have to do to make your citric acid solution. I weigh out my packages when I'm shipping out my packages. But it has where you can do pounds, ounces, grams, everything. So I just held some number and it switched over to grams. So I was like, well, this is perfect. I don't even have to purchase a weight scale. So I'm just gonna go right into it. I've Googled 50 grams to milliliters. It's the same amount, it's equal amounts. 50 grams equals 50 milliliters. It's all the same. So I have my beaker that says 50 milliliters. So what I'm going to do is, I was going to use the pipette, but it's really no need to do that because it's already 50 milligrams. So I'm just going to just fill this up to 50 milligrams. This is distilled water. You always want to use distilled water. So what we're trying to achieve is making sure. So now I'm just using the pipette to make sure that it's actually at 50 milligrams. With the pipette is a better way to get a more precise measurement. Now what I'm doing is just going to take the same beaker size and I'm going to put the salt in it, but I'm just showing the weight has changed because as you saw when I first put the beaker on there, when it didn't have any water in it, it weighs about 28 to 30 milliliters or 30 grams is what the actual glass beaker weighs. So you add 50 to that, you get 80. So that's why the measurement is around 80. So I'm doing the same exact thing, but now I'm going to just put in the citric acid, equaling it up to 50 milliliters. And then what I'm going to do is just pour it into the water and dissolve it. And then that's pretty much how you have your citric acid. So now what you do, you just mix it up. I'm using my glass stirrer to make sure that it dissolves evenly and just keep pouring it in as it dissolves to get the citric acid mixed with the distilled water. And pretty much that's all you do. Now what I did was just use a bigger beaker. This one is about, I think this is my 100 milliliter. I bought the set from Amazon and I just poured that solution with the salt and the water into the bigger beaker because as you continue to pour the salt into the water, if you use the same 50 milliliter beaker, it's going to overflow. So that's why I went on and switched it to a bigger beaker. But you just move it along. I stirred it with the glass stirrers to make sure that the citric acid dissolved into the water, and that's all that you do. After that, what I did was just transfer it into my medicine bottle, and I did test the pH, which you will see in the video that I did test the pH out of the solution. pH tester here, and I got this from Amazon. So what I'm going to do, you see it says 0, where was it, 0? It says 0, 0. I'm going to first put it into my water, just clean it. This is just regular water. I'm just, making sure that it's even and clean so that we can have a correct, accurate reading. And now let's just see. So if you could see, I don't know where my light's not on. Okay, so you see it's around 2. Trying to see if I can see it. The pH is around 2.2, which is very, very good. Thanks for watching. Y'all make sure that y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on y'all notification bell so y'all won't miss any more of my videos, my DIYs. Love y'all.